Hey guys, this is Mr. Geis for Algebra 1, Unit 4.5 Notes, Day 3. Today we're talking about real-world application of linear inequalities with two variables. Let's go ahead and begin. Now, in case you weren't paying attention in class or you weren't here, this page back here, cross it out, okay? Don't worry about it. We're just going to focus on this first page, okay? So, Ashley loves making jewelry and wants to sell it so that she can have at least $600 for holiday spending. She has decided to sell her bracelets and necklaces on eBay to reach her goal. She will sell each bracelet for $10 and each necklace for $20. X represents the number of bracelets and Y represents the number of necklaces that she's going to sell. So just so I remember, I'm going to write down that these are my bracelets and Y are our necklaces. Okay, so the following inequality represents their situation. Use the inequality and its graphs to answer the following questions. So, if Ashley sells 20 bracelets, what is the minimum amount of necklaces she will have to sell in order to reach her $600 goal? Well, let's think about this. Bracelets, those were our X, right? So if they're telling us the X, can't we just plug it in and figure it out? I think so. So if we got 10 times X plus 20Y is greater than or equal to 600. Okay, so if we plug in 20, what will Y be? Well, let's solve. 10 times 20 is 200 plus 20Y is less than or equal to 600. You guys should be really good at solving by now. We subtract 200 to both sides. And we get 20Y is greater than or equal to 400. And then we get to the Y by itself. We divide by 20. And we get Y is greater than or equal to 20. So what's the minimum amount of bracelets she needs, or necklaces she needs? 20 necklaces. Okay, and as we're looking at this right here, we know that this is the bracelets. If she sells 20, you go up. Oh, look at that. It says our answer right there. Oh, man, we didn't have to do that work. But aren't you glad you did? I sure am. Now, give an example of the amount of bracelets and necklaces Ashley can sell in order to make $600 or more. So if we're going to give an example, we should mathematically prove that it's correct. Okay? So let's pick a point. It doesn't matter which one. I'm going with 10 and 40. Okay? So I'm going to test the point 10, 40. So I'm going to plug in my 10 and I'm going to plug in my 40. 10 times 10 is 100 plus 20 times 40 is 800 and 100 plus 800 is 900. Is that greater than or equal to 600? It sure is. So 10 and 40. And you guys could have picked anything up here because anything in the gray is things that she sells more of. Okay? If it's in the white, she didn't make enough. Okay? All right. So if Ashley sells 5 bracelets and 20 necklaces, so bracelets and necklaces, remember, X and Y, will she reach her goal of $600? So, and that's not just by going up and looking at the graph. We need to mathematically prove our answer. Why don't you guys pause the video and see if you can do that one all on your own? Okay, so I got 450 is greater than or equal to 600. Is that true or is that false? That's false, guys. So now we need to defend our answer using correct mathematical evidence and by using at least one complete sentence. All right, so did she reach her goal? No. Ashley did not reach her goal. Okay, why? Because she only sold $450 and she is $150 short. Okay, and that's not the only thing you could have said. You could have rewritten that another way. Okay, it's however you think it. Okay, but you need to write a complete sentence. And there will be problems like this on your test coming up in just a day or two. Okay? Well, guys, we only hit that front side today, so the video is pretty short. If you have any questions, please come see Ms. Carranza or myself. We would love to help you out. Otherwise, that's it for Algebra 1, Unit 4.5 Notes, Day 3.